Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps for our state project. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to our website and go to our tech links and walkthroughs and click on Google Maps. If you are logged into your Google account, this should take you right to your Google Maps. You're going to scroll up here and go to My Maps. Click on that and it will open up a smaller tab. Down below you're going to go to the pencil that says Create. Click on that. And now you have a general map of the United States. You're going to want to write your state or type in your state right here in the search engine. And I'm going to use California for my example. It has now picked up and thrown a pin in California. Before I go any further though, I want to make sure that I title my map. So I'm going to go over here to where it says Untitled Map, click on it, and change my name to California State Project. And I will save. I now have my title up here. I don't need a pin in California per se, but I do want to have some places in here, and you guys are going to be responsible for some of these things. So the first thing I need is cities, and the capital of California is Sacramento. So we're going to put that into our search engine. And now we have a pin here. I want to save this pin, so I'm going to go to the pin and click on it. Once I've done that, I can go up to this box and click Add to Map. It has now been added over here, and as you see, the pin has changed from green to red. I can do a few other things too. First thing I can do is if I go over to the paint box over here, I can change either the color of the icon, or I can actually change the icon. There's a wide selection of things. We'll go back over that in a little bit. But for now, we're going to leave it how it is, which is a red dot. The other thing that you're going to be responsible for when you're doing this is you're going to have to add information about each of these items you're putting on your map. In order to do this, we're going to need to go down to our pencil, which is Edit. We'll click that, and we'll go up here. This is a dialog box. You're going to need to write a couple of paragraphs about your cities. I'm just going to write one small one as an example. Sacramento is the capital of California. You'll also need to add a few images, and the way to do this is to come down to the camera. Click on that, and we're going to do a Google search. We're looking for images of Sacramento, since this is what we're talking about right now. We will search, and we're going to find something that we want to add in here. We want something that represents, this is a really good picture, being the Capitol building, so we're going to select that. And it has now been added to our icon. If I want to add additional images, which you will need to do, we go over to the plus on the image, click on it, and we'll go find another image of Sacramento that we want to add. And again, after checking it, we'll click select. And as you can see, it's been added, and you can scroll back and forth between the two. Before you leave this, after you've loaded all of your images and typed in all the information that you're going to be responsible for, hit save. And now this is in here permanently. That is how you're going to load each individual portion of your map.